Okay, so we will start now again. Sorry for the interruption. So 2x is the one which will divide it properly. When you multiply x square with 2x, you get 2x cube. Okay, so this makes it 2x cube. Now what happens is, one time when you got a question, it has to be multiplied by the other number also. That means negative 2 will also get multiplied by 2x. So it gives you negative 4x. Okay, now always we have to change the sign, opposite sign. When it is plus, we have to make it negative. When it is minus, we have to make it plus. This is the new sign of the numbers over here. So this gets cancelled because one is plus and one is minus, 0. Now one is plus and another one is also plus. 1x, 4x. So 1x, 4x is makes it 5x, and this number comes like that only. Okay, now again, now this is your first term and this is your first term. So again, you in the rough part, 3x square divide by x square. When you divide, you have x square gets cancelled, only 3 remains, and that too with the positive sign, so plus 3. So that means x square into 3 is 3x square. Then negative 2 into 3. So negative 2 into 3 gives you negative 6. Now again sign change, positive, that will be negative, negative, it will be positive. When you solve this, you get 0 here, plus 5x will be written as it is, and then minus 7 plus 6. How much is minus 7 plus 6? Is minus 1. So this is your quotient is 2x plus 3 and remainder is 5x minus 1. Now how will you decide that your division is completed? Because when you have a higher power degree, here power is 2, here power is 1, you cannot divide now further. So that means you have to stop after that. Always in general division also, remember the remainder has to be smaller than the divisor. Here also same way you can check that the power, the degree of the variable should be lesser than the degree of the divisor. Now they have also told you to write the result in the form of this. So dividend equals divisor into quotient plus remainder. So dividend is the one to which we divide the number. So it is 2x cube plus 3x square plus x minus 7 equals to, divisor is the number by which we divide the number, x square minus 2. We'll put in bracket into quotient. Quotient is 2x plus 3. Another bracket plus remainder is 5x minus 1. If you put in bracket, you won't get confused. Okay, so this is the way. They are not saying to solve, so you just have to write it in the form of the formula given. That's it. For 3 marks, this much is enough to do. Next comes this question number 32, A part. Okay, substitution, one of the that's an optional question of elimination and substitution method. So first one we are doing by elimination method. The 7x plus 11y equals to 3 and 8x plus y equals to 50. Elimination method means what? To eliminate one of the variable and to get the another value, then with another value we get the first variable. Okay, now 7x plus 11y equals to 3, 8x plus y equals to 15. Okay, now here the variable coefficient of y is 1. Now what if I eliminate y? I have to multiply it by 11. Here I don't have to do anything, I just have to multiply it by 1. If I don't multiply, then also it is fine. So after multiplying, how we decide? Here the coefficient of y is 11, here the coefficient of y is 1. So just cross this. the first equation will be multiplied by the coefficient of second equation's y, and second equation will be multiplied by the first equation's coefficient of y. Okay, so 7x plus 11y equals to 3. 88x plus 11y equals to 165. When you multiply, you can multiply 15 and 11 by this. 15 and then 15. So it is 165. Okay, now we cannot eliminate with plus plus only. So because of that reason, we will subtract here. Okay, you will just put the sign opposite. Plus minus, here also it was plus, that's why minus. Here also it was plus, that's why minus. If there would be somewhere minus, then it would have become plus. Okay, tell me what is 3 minus 165? It is minus 162. Plus 11y minus 11y makes it 0. Then 7x minus 88x makes it minus 81x. Okay. So now minus 81x equals to minus 162. So when you solve this further, x, now this is, that is why it is called elimination method. See, this way we eliminated y, the whole y is eliminated. You got only x value here, that is negative 162 divided by negative 81, which gives you 2. You can multiply and check. 81 into 2 is 2 ones are 2, 2 8s are 16, and minus minus sign gets cancelled, so x equals to 2. Now you can just substitute the value here. Also we are just doing a part of the substitution method. You will put x equals to 2 in any of the equation. Okay, so if I keep it in the second equation only, this is your first equation, this is your second equation. So the second equation was 8x plus y equals to 15. So 8 into 2 plus y equals to 15. 8 times 2 is 16 plus y equals to 15. So y equals to 15. This 16 goes that side. Minus 16 it will become. Y equals to minus 1. And x equals to 2. So this is the two variables value, x equals to 2, y equals to minus 1, by elimination method. So now we will be solving 32b by substitution method. And the equations are 4x plus y equals 4x plus y equals to 1 and x plus y equals to negative 5. Okay. I'll take, this is equation number 1, this is equation number 2. From equation 1, 4x plus y equals to 1, y equals to 1 minus 4x. Can I write like this? This is positive, now takes it here, it will become minus, that's why minus. So from here, let us make this equation number 3. Put y equals to 1 minus 4x in equation 2. So we will keep the y value from the equation 1 which we have got in the equation number 2. So x plus 1 minus 4x equals negative 5. Okay, so you have x and minus 4x. How much it is? Minus 3x, and then minus 5 is already there, and this positive 1 will go there, it will become negative 1. So minus 3x equals minus 6, x equals minus 6 divided by minus 3. So it gives you 2. So when x is 2, acha, y, we have not got the y value. So put x equals to 2 in equation 3. Okay. So y equals to 1 minus 4x. So y equals to 1 minus 4 into 2. So y equals to 1 minus 4 to the 8. How much is 1 minus 8? Which is minus 7. So at the end you will write x equals to 2, y equals to negative 7. This is the value of the x and y with the method of substitution. Okay, next we are going to solve question number 33. Now question number 33 is from AP, arithmetic progression. Answer the following question with reference to the given arithmetic progression. The arithmetic progression is 7, 3, minus 1 and dash dash dash. What is the 21st term of the AP? So first, from the given information we'll point out what are the things given. A is what? A is the first term, which is 7. Then we will calculate the common difference D, which is the second term minus first term, which gives you negative 4. And what is the formula for for the finding the term? An equals to a plus n minus 1 into D. So an means we are finding out a 21st. They are asking first what is the 21st term of the AP. So 21st term is A21, A is 7, N is 21 minus 1 and D is minus 4. So 7 plus, what is 21 minus 1 is 20. 20 into 4, or we can do in the another step. 24 is 80. And then negative sign is there, so minus 80, because plus 20 into minus 4 will give you minus 80. So how much is 7 minus 80? It is going to be 73, negative sign. So A21 is negative 73. Okay. Next is they are also asking about second part. I am doing it here. What is the sum of the first 30 terms of the AP? Sorry. Okay, now they are asking for sum. So Sn formula is n upon 2 bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into D. So S30 they are asking. S30 equals to, that means n value is 30. Rest all a and d value remains same. 30 upon 2 bracket 2 multiplied by 7 plus n minus 1 means 30 minus 1 and bracket close D. D is minus 4. Bracket close. Now what is 30 divided by 2? 30 divided by 2 is 15. 2 times 7 is 14 plus, no, there is a square bracket, so you have to put square bracket only. 30 minus 1 is 29. 29 into minus 4. Next step we'll do 15 minus 9 times 4 is 36. 4 to 8, 9, 10, 11. Minus 116. When you multiply 29 into negative 4, you get minus 116. Now solving the bracket, square bracket, it gives you minus 102. Now when you multiply 15 into 102, you can do it in the rough part. 5 2s are 10, 5 1s are 5, 1 2s are 2, 1 0 0, 1 1s are 1, 0 3 5 1. So 1530 and with the minus sign. So this is your sum of first 30 terms of the AP. Negative 1530. Okay. Now, going for the next one, construction question it is, 30, question number 34. Draw a line segment AM of measure 8 centimeter. So, let us just read the question first. AM rough I am making. AM of 8 centimeter. Take A as the central and with radius 3 centimeter, draw a circle. With A as the center, measure with the help of this and make a 3 centimeter circle. Using a pair of compasses and ruler, construct two tangents MR and MQ to the circle. Measure and state the length of the tangent segment. Okay. So first, what thing you have to do? You should have the this compass and scale and ruler, scale and pencil. So AM of 8 centimeter first you will draw. Then with the help of compass and ruler you will measure 3 centimeter. Okay, and you will keep the pointer of the compass in A and you will draw something 3 centimeter circle with radius 3 centimeter. Putting A, you will have to put the pointer and make a circle. Now next part what you have to do is taking AM as the measure as the line, you have to make a perpendicular line of AM. Now what you will do with that? AM, you will take in the compass, you will take more than half, you will draw make a arc with this. More than half. How we make a perpendicular line? We take more than half of the line. So it is 8 centimeters. So more than half means 4 centimeters se zyada. You have to take in the compass and you have to cut the arc on from both the sides. From A when you do, you get like this and this from on top and bottom. From M when you will do without changing the measure, like this you will get. Okay. Now with the help of ruler, join this two. Now if you see, using the D, this is actually nothing but dividing the line 4 centimeter and 4 centimeter. So taking this as radius, let us name this as O. Taking OM as the radius, you will draw another circle of something like this. Now if you see, this circles divide the previous circle into two like this. Okay, now that is your tangent points, like this and like this. So that is the name also is given in the circle in the question, MR and MQ. So these are the points. Tangents are what? Tangents are the point which joins the, which touches the circle. Okay, MR and MQ. Measure and state the length of the tangent. So you will measure MR and you will measure MQ. You will get somewhat similar measurement. Let's say 3.7 both of them. Okay, 3.6, 3.5, 3.8. You will can. I'm not sure about. You will get this, but 3.34 measurement here and there is fine. But you should do the construction very properly. Okay, next now, question number 35. Using a pair of compasses and ruler, construct equilateral triangle PMN. Now equilateral triangle. Now what do we know about the property of equilateral triangle? That all sides are equal and all angles are 60 degree. All angles are equalated 60 degree. That is why they are called equilateral triangle. And the name has to be PMN. First you should always draw the rough figure with reading the question. With sides 7.5 centimeter. So 7.5 centimeter each, that means. Because as it is an equilateral triangle, all sides has to be the same measurement. Then construct triangle P dash M N dash use whose sides are 4 upon 5 the corresponding sides of PMN. 4 upon 5th. Now 4 upon 5th, that means it is going to be inside the triangle, the original triangle. The new triangle will be inside the previous triangle. So first, what are the steps? Let us do that. First we will draw a MN of 7.5. Okay, wait, I have to take in the page only, because then it won't be possible. We require space to solve that. Okay, let us do here. Oh. Let us draw a line of 7.5 centimeter and name it as MN. Then you will make a 60 degree. Now for level 2 it is not required to do with the compass. So you will be using protractor to make a measure of 60 degree. Otherwise, for if you remember to use how to use with the D, what you do, you make a semicircle and you cut the first arc that gives you 60 degree. Same on the other side, you have to make 60 degree. You make a semicircle and the first cut gives you 60 degree. Now with that, with the ruler you will measure this line, and 7.5 centimeter you will somewhere 7.5, and if your 60 degree is perfect, this and this also, automatically the third side will give you 60 degree. So, and the name will be P on the top, PMN. This will be the triangle PMN. Now with the M point you will make an acute angle, whatever angle you can take. Acute angle means less than 90. You can take 40, you can take 30, you can take 70. Now 4 upon 5 is the, so what you will do, you will do 5 with the help of compass. Take one finger gap of the in between the legs of the compass and make 5 divisions, 1 2 3 4 5, and name it as M1, M2, M3, M4 and M5. Last M5, because the denominator is 5, the M5 is going to be connected with N like this. Okay, now we are going to draw a parallel line of M5 to N with M4 to somewhere here. Now there is a procedure to do that. For that I have to erase that the 7.5 written inside, so that it is visible for you guys. Just this part also. Okay. Now what I will do, with the compass, one finger gap, I will make an arc here. Same measurement arc I will make arc from M4 also. The legs, the pin pointed side on M5 first, and make an arc with the 2 lines, and then another one from M4. Now measure the arc which you have cut previously from M5. This and this, measure with the help of your compass only. The same from here you will cut another arc, the measurement which you have got, and then you will join them and you will get a point which is N dash, because it is N, so N dash you will get. Now same thing here, what we did previously, you with the help of compass, you will take one finger gap, you will make an arc from this line to this line. Same from N dash, you will make an arc of like this. Same measurement. Now after that, the measurement you have to take with the help of compass from this point and this point. If you see the 2 points, okay, and you will keep it here and cut that. Now you can join this. See, it is not perfectly here, but you will get perfect if you do it properly. You will get somewhere P dash here. Now P dash M N dash is the required. You will write therefore P dash M N dash is the required triangle. Okay, which is 4/5 of the MNN. That's it. Yeah. Next now, question number 36.